Oh, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I have this classic golden glam look for you guys, and I've already applied concealer as a base on my eyelid. I'm gonna use the Morphe 35O palette in this tutorial, and I will blend the first color in my crease. And I'm blending this color with a fluffy blending brush. The second color is a little bit darker than the first one, and I will also blend this in the crease with a more precise blending brush. And blend the colors together with your first brush. And I will take this flat blending brush and I will focus on the crease, and I will not apply the color too high. And the last color is this darkest brown shade. I will focus on the outer V of the eye to smoke it out. And blend the colors together with this brown color. And I will use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NC15 to cut the crease, and I'm using the Real Techniques Detailer brush. And I will dip the concealer with my fingers on my lid. I'm taking this golden color from the Morphe 35F palette, and I will apply this all over the lid. And I will take this Wave eyeliner brush to fill in the I will apply some glitter glue on my lid. and I will use this golden glitter from H&M. I will highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. And it's time to blend the same colors on my lower lash line. And this black eye pencil by Sigma on my waterline. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and I hope to see you by my next video.